Still got your things here. They stare at me like souvenirs. Don't wanna let you out my head. Just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever. Say that you love me, but that'll last forever. It's cold outside, like when you walked on my life, when you walked on my life.
Yeah, I got bitches I might love and I got bitches I might hate. I got bitches that took time and I got bitches couldn't wait. I know niggas that was real and I know niggas that was fake. All them lies that they told you, you know them niggas is snakes. I'm up.
Papi, I want Fronto. Give me grab a leaf. No, I need grab a leaf, bro. I don't smoke bagels. Turn my headphones up, Pop. I got niggas that cool. I know niggas that be real and I know niggas that be fake. All that shit that you told you, all that shit that be real and I know niggas that was fake. All them lies they done told you, all them niggas they be snakes. Big A, gotta prevail, can't wait for them niggas.
What's up?
My brother.
I didn't mean to interrupt your shit.
Huh?
I didn't mean to interrupt the filming.
What?
The filming.
What you say, bud?
The filming.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't mean to interrupt. The jelly cake.
Breezy, man? You take a breeze and jelly cake.
Huh?
You take a breeze and jelly cake.
You good? Good. Brother, thank you. Can I take myself, huh?
Yeah. I got bitches I might love and I got bitches I might hate. I got niggas that lied and I got that. I don't know niggas that I just told you niggas.
Big hit, gotta prevail, I can't fail. Ain't got time to be sitting in none of these crackers jail. I know that it's my time, I had to get through them times. Committed so many crimes, I was praying for a son.
I know that I gotta want it. Everything that I'm be. One time. And tell me what you want. I know everything I'ma be, everything I'ma see.
I know niggas got shot for this tough shit. I know niggas that bluff, you ain't touch it. I know niggas be riding the wave. I know bitches be jacking the game. When we in this shit.
Ain't no way. I don't really know we're working. We're working on anything. And whatever come to mind.
See that? Fuck going on in the studio with my boy Rich. Working hard, man. Hard work gonna pay off. New year, new money, new everything. You know what I mean? Prosperity. And we not new friends. We have friends in junior high school. I don't know what the fuck going on. This shit is treachery. This shit is lifetime. This nigga showed me what skipping school was like. Yo, funny shit. Yo, funny shit though. Can't even cap. Skipping school. What? Oh, it's lit like this.
We went from Chauncey. We about to go chill with the bitches. We about to get high.
Oh, type of shit.
We want to beat these niggas up.
Shit niggas tucking they chain. When we in this shit, whole lot of champagne. Bad bitch fuck, I don't care about her name. These bitches for gang, niggas is straight. Why you be feeling away? Niggas be acting so gay. Gotta just keep them away. I'm probably making a play. Bronna be moving away, getting it straight.
Cali, the cuisine is dirty.
Yeah, people get mad when I say that.
It's not New York. It's like
People get mad when I say that. Yeah, look, I'm trying to tell you.
I'm not eating, but I'm sorry.
I'm telling you.
You gotta go to the
He like, he turned around on your ass.
Not doing that.
Turned around on your
Add
ass.
salt, no nothing.
He
Shit,
turned around.
chicken is regular.
I gotta put you on.
Chicken
The
is
chicken's one thing. I'm from Atlanta, so.
you from Atlanta. You should know about food. I don't
yeah,
understand how you saying that Cali got good
Atlanta
food.
go crazy.
I'm done with you.
Maybe not fried
Atlanta
chicken.
got good food. What's
Maybe
going
not
on?
fried chicken. Yeah, out in LA, but. you
What's
gotta-
good? What's the tacos?
Yeah.
What's good here? Like,
Mexican food.
come on, stop
taco
it, bro. That's the
stands,
only thing they got.
I was just want to say
Thai-
Mexican.
Only thing they got good is
California
Mexican
is
food.
known for
Thai
Mexican
food,
food.
Mexican
right?
Japanese,
That's the only
Chinese,
thing they got is good food. Mexican food, yeah.
Japanese, Thai, Chinese.
I can't eat shit like that every day. I'm sorry, bro. I'm gonna be pop. Be 100 pounds.
Ain't shit, man. We
Trying to make
chillin'.
trying to make a hit, baby. You wanna hear this shit? Play this shit. Yo, fuck is going on?
Oh shit.
That's your new name. Remember that, you heard? It's Fly. Yo, what up, baby? Tell them to say it right when they call you, huh?
You said what? Hey, shit. Tap in. We just talk about you. That's what I said. This nigga just hit me.
You know how many times I've been stressed out, thinking about where I'm going, where you at, who you with, are you there, all the time. You know how many times I've been stressed out, thinking about where I'm going, who you with, all the time. You alone, I'll be there. You know how many times I've been stressed out, couldn't give me no paper, tired of wasting my time, tired of being around haters, tired of giving my all, tired of giving my favor. Show your face and show it all, gotta watch your name. I take my time with this shit, I ain't got time for conversation, I ain't got time for niggas hating, I ain't got time for that about paper, I ain't got time to be no savior. Boy, better watch his behavior. Young niggas know I'm greater, niggas out trying to be mad. You know how many times I've been stressed out, thinking about where I'm going, where you at, who you with, are you there, all the time.